Today I'm working on my boat, and I suspect that fuel injectors are clogged or something. I went to the store and each one like 90 bucks. So I decided to clean what I have. How do I clean it? I need to create, pressure using brake parts cleaner fluid, and I'm using 9 volts battery to create a pulse. Okay, very simple. Connecting it to two connectors. All right. Then I'm using a Safeway syringe to push the fluid through the injectors, the pressures. All right. Very simple. Put some fluid in. And then start, create some pressure with my finger and start pulsing. There you go. Just slowly pulse so the cleaner can do its job. Going through injector and cleaning all the gunk inside of it. This way I know that my injector is good, holding pressure, and has a nice spray pattern. That's it. Very simple. Saving money.